All right, son, you ready to learn how to drive?
Yes.
Cool. We got this sports car from the 80s. Let's check it out. Hey. All right. Okay, come on, climb on in. All right. So, have you ever driven a manual before?
Never.
Never. All right, this is gonna be easy, no problem. Okay, so find neutral. There you go. Yep, that's good. Perfect. Neutral. Okay, pushing the clutch. Foot on the brake. And nope. Yeah, that's the brake. Nope, not that brake. The other brake. Middle brake. Oh, yeah, there you go. Good enough. All right, go ahead and start the car. Let's go. Oh, right, we gotta fix the motor. Dang. Well, let's go do that. All right. Today we want to get the front end off the Rampage converted to 5-bolt. So we're gonna take the GLH front end off. The advantage of the GLH front end also is that it has the mount for the manual transmission. Because the Rampage came as an automatic. So here we go. I'm gonna hope that it just kind of unbolts and swaps back and forth between the two. They're both little L bodies from Chrysler, so we'll see. All right, safety check on the Rampage here. We're chocked, we got the parking brake on, parking brake works. Got jack stands. And until it drops, we've got the jack under there too, so well, that seems to be working. All right, I got it lifted a little in the air, so we're gonna see how many turns it takes to go from center all the way to lock. One. Starting the steering wheel here. 1.5. Yeah, I think that's got the GLH rack. That's pretty cool. Oh, look, I didn't plan for success again. Dang it. Steering rack, making this. I wanted to make sure it was nice and empty, I guess. So, here we are. All right, same idea with the Rampage. We're gonna go from center to lock, so we're going. Well, apparently we're going to key lock. Gotta read the keys. My kid made me a little keychain for the Rampage, and I freaking love it. It's great. Okay, let's try this again. So we're at center. I'm gonna go 1. Well, maybe it's the same. I don't know. That's weird. Very strange. Okay, doing this a little more careful. I do think the Rampage actually has the old unit. So here's 1, 2, 3. So that's the old unit, about 3 lock to lock. Okay, we're gonna try the same thing again on the Omni. So starting here. 1, 2, a little bit. Okay, so before we take the K-frame on, I gotta talk about safety. I've got the rear parking brake on. I'm gonna rock back there and put on a couple jack stands, and then hopefully drop the K-frame on the jack and pull it forward. Plan for success.
We're just about to take off the wheels of the Rampage and the Omni.
That's right. It's almost time for K-frame swap. Here we are. Look, it's nice that it can be metric and non-metric. It's really a shame we haven't just gone all the way to metric. I'm gonna rip off that Band-Aid. Okay. Hey, these are barely on there. Perfect.
Luckily, they don't want to just stay.
Yeah, exactly. They're not rusted on. Okay, so 1 tire. We're gonna put this under here as an extra safety precaution. Okay. And then
But then how are you going to move it so you could get over to the other side?
I have a theory. We're gonna put it on the jack, hopefully. Hopefully the jack is gonna let us pull it around. Does that make sense? We're gonna drop it down on the jack.
So we're going to need that other jack that's just right over there.
Right. You get the wheel on the other side. That one's off. Look at these brand new tires. No matter. It's kind of foolish to buy brand new tires for this car, but you know. Pretty sweet. Okay. Here's one K-frame bolt right here. I gotta figure out what size that is. And there's another one back there. You want to do the shock towers?
No, I'll let you.
Okay. New gloves. Going through a lot of gloves today. They're dirty. Look at those rotors. Those are skinny little rotors. First try. Can you believe that? 3/4 inch. Now I gotta think how we're gonna get a ratchet up there. Okay, you ready? Let's see if this is gonna go. Hey, look, she goes. What do you know? What a deal. I can't believe that. Man, this might work. Let's see if our little ratchet friend can do this. Oops, it'll tighten. Let's see if it'll loosen. Oh, she got a little bogged down. It's going good for a little bit. Dang. Back to the big guy. What do I need to do? I know what to do. I gotta put the jack under the mill. Prepare for success. That's what I'm not doing. Pretty cool. Never dropped a whole subframe before. Okay, so if any luck, that's it. So now let's see what happens. So come back a little bit because I don't want that to come down on you. Come over here, come to the side. Let's see if she wants to drive. One shot. Brakes are losing more. Need some quick down.
Paper towels?
What an absolute pain to get out. But she's out. I ruined a 5mm socket. But it should come out now. What a deal. Karen nut for the day. Down. Power steering pump is that there. Crap out of it. Maybe. No brake fluid.
Yeah.
Not planning for success over here. Okay. That's okay. Let's see. It floats.
Yep, it floats. Totally.
This is the best Rampage ever.
Yep. Totally floats. Nothing supporting it.
It just hangs out in the air.
The Omni does. It only has wheels supporting it currently, the Omni. But soon we'll make it floating too.
That's right. Let's make a flying Omni.
Just by taking out that, you can make it flying.
Right.
Totally is flying.
Totally flying.
No jacks or anything. No jacks.
Well, we can pull out some of this out here. Not gonna need that anymore. It's literally held on by baling wire. Okay, we're gonna have to go cut the baling wire. Here we go under the GLH. Check it out. This is pretty ingenious way of holding up your exhaust pipe if you want to sell the cat, if there was a cat. Yoink. And away she goes. And now we can pull out, maybe. I thought. There we are. Free the exhaust pipe. What a deal. It's pretty nice. Do something fancy with that. Sculpture? I don't know. Sell at a local art gallery. It's pretty good. GLH. I'm gonna go ahead and do some PB blaster here on these guys. Those are really greased on there. That's nice. Okay, well here we are. Let's keep going. Scrape some goodies off. Get this shield off here. Annoying little shield. Mostly, it just likes to get in the way when you're trying to work down here. And now it's out of the way. Alright. That is so much credit. So much. It's kind of satisfying though. It's kind of fun to scrape all this off of here. The downside is that probably means our power steering leaks like a mofo, which is great. We have to figure that out. I can even rebuild these. I don't know. They sure don't have the GLH version for sale anywhere that I'm aware of. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but over here's the passenger side floorboard. And over here's the driver, right? Now here's what's in there. So you can see that hanging down. Man, look right here. It got pancaked up there. Something hit it pretty hard on the bottom, or it rested down on something. Really caved in that driver's side floor pan over there where those hoses are. It's kind of hard to tell from video, probably. Okay, so now we remove this guy. It's gonna free us up. Yep. Those aren't actually completely terrible, so that's good news. And then, yeah, the number seems big enough. And so, now, hey, it did have brake fluid. That's kind of surprising. Doesn't even look bad. Looks like honey. Tasty. Okay. Not as bad as I feared. Let's put this here. Hang out. Okay, same thing over here. Plan for success. I'm gonna try at least. Good attitude. Also pretty good brake line, seems like. Nice thing about living in the north. Stuff actually sort of doesn't just corrode. Shocking. And how much it takes in here? Probably a lot. Oh yeah, that's just gushing. She's got some good brake fluid. Cleans everything nice. Brake fluid, that's nasty stuff. You know, these tires are definitely on the way out. I think I'm gonna get another bottle because this is gonna drip for a while. It looks like. I can drip any faster? No? Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Part of our Plan for Success initiative, we're gonna disconnect the brake lines here. Which is a shame because these brakes actually work in the Rampage right to the floor, but these guys actually do it. So yeah, we're just gonna disconnect them and put them off to the side. Probably make a big mess. So we're gonna plan for that. Try and capture the mess this time. It is mostly out.
Yeah. This has been taking a freaking long time.
That's right. Friggin' bolt. This friggin' bolt is the one that friggin' takes all the time. The rest of the job's pretty easy.
Normally there's a bolt on Toyota, but we're doing Toyota, so it's a pin.
Oh, come on, man.
Just go get your bigger fat one.
Ooh, nice. Saved everything. Probably should just cut it. I'm probably just gonna tear it. What? That's not. Go out.
Just start ripping it.
It's out. Okay, look. Hey, look what I got. I caught a pinfish.
Yeah.
What a pain. Okay. And now we get to do the fun part. Now we get to do the thing up. Day snack?
Yummy midday snack of brake fluid. It's the
Greek?
yummiest-
It's probably Greek brake fluid.
Yeah.
It's extra special.
It's
Those
from
cool
Greek.
washers.
Yep.
I bet I need those.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
bet
bet
you
I do. Okay, well,
do. Well, look at the mess we've made.
yeah, quite a mess.
Yep. There's even bugs. There's all sorts of cockroaches all in it. So you wouldn't want to be near it. Yes. It's good at leaking stuff.
That's right. That's about all this Omni's good for, is leaking stuff on parts.
Yep. Also leaking parts. It turns them into fluid and leaks them out.
That's right. If your Omni's not leaking, it probably doesn't have fluid. Kind of like a little British car that way.
Yeah, if it's not leaking, it probably is not fluid. Even if it's working, you better check its fluid if it's not leaking.
That's right.
Oh, look, the Omni's floating too.
Sweet.
Yep. Now we made the Omni float.
Okay, so we get the wheels off the Omni.
We'll make it float even more. It just has jet boosters currently. Tiny ones though. It's taking off the wheel. So, because it will just be floating. It's just floating. The wheel can move.
None of these are the same size, or at least some of them are not the same size. Oh, look at these little bullet hole wheels. These are cool. These came on the Golas. I like them.
Keep it from collapsing.
Wash that off. You know, this time we're going to be a little smarter, and we unhooked the coils and springs so we don't get this ungainly mess that we had before with
Yeah.
all those. So hopefully that'll make this one go just a little bit faster.
A
But
little bit faster. And also a little bit faster to get it floating.
that's right, we want to get a
But then take it out and make the Rampage float even more.
Oh no, that's right. The Omni's not going to float for too long. The Rampage is going to float for a little bit while we get stuff cleaned up.
But then we're going to put it back on its wheels for a little bit. But when we drive it, it'll be my first time I've ever
That's right.
drove something. And it'll be flying. Well, now we're leaking cleaner.
That's right.
And some more cleaner.
More cleaner. Oh, let's get some oil in there. It's being a little stubborn.
Well, now we're going to be leaking some oil.
That's why I ask you stuff. Sometimes you know where it is. I like that. That's handy.
We're using the impact. So easy. That we didn't even do anything. Are you ready for leaking again?
What will leak this time?
Yeah, it's a big game show. What will leak?
Wait a minute. Are you kidding me?
Nothing leaked?
Nothing?
Nothing?
Did we leak absolutely everything out of this thing? I was gonna leak.
Our game show has failed.
Oh man. We were doing so good. Okay, let's get this up here.
Well, now we have 2 flying vehicles. It's probably because one's a GLH.
That's right.
Turbo.
Okay, let's see real quick. As you can see, we've got the K-frame out, the Omni GLH, the Gola. We've got it out of the Rampage, so now it's swap time. Hopefully this will go fine. Let's find out. All right, well, I got her in. I just gotta get these bolts in, put some wheels on the Omni. We can button her up. I'm done with this one for the day.
Well, now we're leaking. Right there, it's leaking. Come on, our game show failed. But now it's leaking. We lost eggs.
Yeah, but it's just rocks, huh? Man, this thing is caked. So then when you get a leaky car and lots of grime.
Yeah, because they can keep injecting poison for up to 30 minutes.
That's not great.
After stay.
Is this the right way? Yep, it's the right way. Good deal. I would have figured. Start putting it in there.
Oh.
Okay. Well, we got 2 choices here. We got these pizza wheels, or these pizza wheels. I don't know. It's gonna be a tough choice. We'll try the black for now. Why not? Let's see what happens.
We had found a Rampage Hot Wheels car, which had recently came out.
Well, it is hot. I'll tell you what. And the Rampage isn't flying anymore, so I'm gonna get that hood on, just be done and clean up as quick as it can. If you happen to see a K-frame bolt lying around, let me know. Yeah, somehow I'm missing one. I kept them, I thought, near everybody. But no, one K-frame bolt is missing. Worst case, I'll just steal it off the GLH there. But, oh well. Got her on the ground. Got a Hot Wheels Rampage today. Life is good. Now, if you've been working all day, make sure you get those dickies nice and clean. Use a pressure washer or whatever. You take care of you, take care of them. You don't let it sweat the dirt up. I think this is car soap. Should be fine. Give me a nice, clean, waxy smell mixer. Good stuff. Take care of your stuff, fellas. That's important. Takes care of you. Alright.